Hello, welcome to 3-Minute Tour Channel. Thank you for joining us. Here, we embark on fantastic journeys to breathtaking destinations worldwide. Through our videos, we share exciting travel experiences, provide essential tips and hidden gems, all while aiming to make you feel like you're traveling right alongside us. Get ready to indulge in amazing adventures with 3-Minute Tour Channel. When it comes to finding local recommended restaurants in Phnom Penh that offer a smooth and fun dining experience, here are 5 popular choices. Romdeng, located in a beautiful colonial building. Romdeng serves up delicious Cambodian cuisine in a fun and vibrant atmosphere. The restaurant is known for its extensive menu, featuring traditional Khmer dishes with a modern twist. Enjoy your meal while being surrounded by colorful decor and lively Cambodian music. Friends, the restaurant Friends is not only a restaurant, but also a training center for underprivileged youth. The menu offers a fusion of Khmer and Western dishes, made with locally sourced ingredients. The restaurant has a warm and welcoming ambiance, and the staff are friendly and attentive, creating a fun and engaging dining experience. The Shop is a trendy cafe and bistro located in the popular expat neighborhood of BKK1. The menu features a variety of international dishes, including burgers, sandwiches, salads, and pizzas. The laid-back atmosphere, combined with a stylish interior and friendly service, makes it a great place to enjoy a relaxed meal with friends. Topaz, for a more upscale dining experience, Topaz is an excellent choice. This elegant French restaurant offers a refined menu featuring classic French dishes, made with high-quality ingredients. The restaurant has a sophisticated atmosphere, with a piano bar and a beautiful garden terrace, creating a smooth and luxurious dining experience. Elephant Bar, situated in the iconic Raffles Hotel Le Royal. The Elephant Bar is a must-visit for its historical significance and elegant ambiance. Known for its extensive cocktail menu, this bar also serves light snacks and appetizers. The colonial-style decor, live music, and attentive service. Subscribe and like. Have a wonderful day today as well. Thank you.